So to be able to relax guests in saunas in Waterpark Simulator, we're just gonna run to the sauna here. So the first thing we need to do is to adjust this right here, so you can see to the left until we match it perfectly right here. So you can see I went a little bit too fast, to be honest. So you have to kind of go a little bit slower until it reaches the red mark here and then stop. Now for this one right here, as you can see, this one we have to take the laddie here. I don't know exactly what it's called, to be honest, but we need to grab water to it here, so you can see, and add it to this right here. So take water here and add it here until it reaches the red mark here. So I'm just gonna keep on doing it, as you can see. So I'm just gonna keep on doing it. Yep, still need some water here, as you can see. Still needs water. Okay. Just gonna keep on going. Perfect. Now it should be perfect. And sometimes you have to toggle on the vent, by the way, and then place it perfectly. But this is how to do this.